Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create roles for your server as an admin or an owner of your server. There's only one person here, which is me, because this is just for an example. But if you go to server settings here and scroll down until you find roles, you don't actually have to scroll down that far. I'm going to create role here. I'm going to name it, for instance, wig. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna name it Barbie, and I'm going to choose like a custom cute pink Barbie color, for instance. Maybe like this one. You can also do like role icons, but you need Nitro for it. Then I am going to go to manage members, and I'm going to add in the person I want the role to go to, for instance just me. You can also add in some permissions here. You can scroll down and just enable the administrator permissions for admin, or you can select just a few if you'd like to, but I'm just going to select maybe the administrator one, save changes. You can add more members to it. Maybe I'm just going to add this one because why not? And here you'll be able to see the roles that they have as well as the color. But I have this one so it won't show. So I'm just going to delete that one. And as you can see, the color changed. And now I have that role. You can just delete by pressing this here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.